What's going down, everybody? Today is day one at SEMA 2024. So we're gonna hop in here, I don't know, cruise around, show you guys some cool stuff. Got two of my buddies with me today. Should be an awesome day. We're gonna do a bunch of different stuff. Some cars, outside stuff, drifting. Just stay tuned. Sometimes you get some crazy stuff like this, but I'm down with it. I don't know if you had to pick one. Which one do you got? This one? Or this one? I'm picking this one.
Yeah, I've been just, yeah.
Well, I'm not just going to show you muscle cars. You know me, I like all flavors as long as they look like they like to party. And this bad boy looks like it likes to party. On air ride. Bring in on this because this is absolutely gorgeous. I don't really need to talk. If you don't like it, leave me a comment because we need to have a discussion. Like I was just telling my buddy Kurt, like I can appreciate all things, and this is a beautiful car. But my question is, would you rather this or the blue? I don't know if I could choose if I got given the choice. Because that thing is gorgeous. Everybody, we have to swing by the QA1 booth because I had to bring you in and show you all of the new 3rd gen suspension. So they redesigned the level 3 handling kit for the 3rd gen Camaro, and it is absolutely beautiful. Lighter, faster, more gooder. Look at those new Chroma Star coilovers. Got frame brace, new sway bar. They got rid of literally any very small problems that they had and made it even better, if you can believe that. So I am excited and I want it. I want it really bad. I have to figure out how to make that happen. My face here because we got a Knch Pack, and you know it's my favorite. I really want one. And this one is gangster. It sits right. I love it. What do you think? This bad man, I'm all about this.
I need out of here.
Yes, please. And you gotta look at my belly button. You're good, man. Like I said, this is going to be a quick cruise around, just a performance haul here at SEMA. This is just one building. I'll be doing a building a day is what we're going to be going for, plus all the stuff going on outside. If there's anything that you guys see in this video that I didn't take enough time on, there's a lot going on. You guys send me a message and I'll go back, I'll pull up on it. You guys can, we can look at it a little closer and you can hear the old Tom take on it, but there's some absolutely amazing cars here. That's a wrap on day one. We just got off the monorail. We're heading back. We're gonna go get some dinner. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, stay tuned. Tomorrow will be a new video out, as well as the next day, as well as the next day. So thanks for watching.